So, Apple's next big launch is just around the corner. Mark your calendars for September 9th, because that's when the iPhone 17 family is expected to take the stage. And as we inch closer to that date, the leaks are pouring in fast. Today's spotlight? The iPhone 17 Pro, and one of the boldest design changes we've seen from Apple in years. Let's start with the antennas. According to fresh leaks, Apple is moving them from their traditional spots along the edges of the frame to a brand new location around the rear camera module. And this isn't just any camera bump. The iPhone 17 Pro's camera island is rumored to stretch across the entire width of the phone's back, giving it a striking industrial look. Why the move? Well, the Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2 might have been the inspiration. Those watches hide their antennas within the casing in a way that maximizes reception and minimizes interference. Apple seems ready to pull the same trick here, except scaled up for a phone. Current iPhones have antennas along the chassis edges, with those little breaks you've probably noticed in the metal frame. It works, but it's not perfect. Metal and certain materials can cause signal interference, and Apple apparently wants to fix that once and for all. By relocating the antennas near the camera array, an area less prone to signal blocking, the iPhone 17 Pro could deliver stronger 5G and faster Wi-Fi 7 performance, especially in crowded areas where connectivity is usually a nightmare. But that's not the only news we're getting today. Leaker Majin Buu just dropped another tidbit: the possible sizes for all 4 iPhone 17 models. He shared images of screen protectors supposedly belonging to the new lineup, and if they're accurate, we're getting some interesting changes. The standard iPhone 17 will reportedly pack a 6.3-inch display, and the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to match that size exactly. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will take things bigger with a 6.9-inch panel. But here's where it gets really intriguing: the new iPhone 17 Air. This thin and light model could sport a 6.6-inch screen, making it sit right between the Pro and Pro Max in size. And about that thin part, it's rumored to be Apple's slimmest phone ever, at just 5.5 millimeters thick. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.